Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Sally Acorn in Gacha Club. First, open Gacha Club and choose an empty character slot. We'll begin by setting her basic appearance. Adjust the character's height to 1.25 units, giving her a youthful and energetic stature. Next, select a light brown skin tone from the available options to match Sally's iconic fur color. This forms the essential foundation for our beloved character. Now, let's focus on her distinctive hair and facial features. Pick a long, flowing brown hairstyle that closely resembles Sally's iconic look. For her eyes, select a vibrant blue color and choose an expression that conveys her determined and intelligent personality. Finally, give her a small, simple mouth to capture her friendly and approachable smile. These details bring her face to life. Moving on to her classic outfit and accessories. Select a blue vest and a pair of dark blue shorts to replicate her adventurous attire. Don't forget her practical footwear. Choose some sturdy brown boots. Next, add white gloves to complete her hands. Finally, equip her signature ring blades on her wrists, which are crucial for her combat style. These elements define her heroic appearance. To finalize your Sally Acorn, experiment with various poses and expressions to capture her dynamic personality in different scenes. Once you're satisfied, make sure to save your custom character so you can use her in all your Gacha Club creations. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your home's atmosphere and enjoy your favorite music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.